KAVL stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. With KAVL Brands Innovations stock, yeah, I'm like 5% up is cool. I want to just show you my higher time frame bias though. By the way, context, I've done 35,000 videos. I've spent thousands of courses and mentors and documented everything. And this is ultimately how everything looks like. Boom. And I'm sticking by it, although like we're 5% up. What this meant was I want to see a double break and then I'm going to take things short. In practice, you know, to put it in practice, I saw the first break. If there's a second break beneath lows, then I'm taking things lower. Simple as that, you know. It's obviously I'm not going to force stuff. I'm just open because there's also the high. If we start breaking the high, there's a whole different story. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.